Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Gutter Cleaning Attachment is probably one of the most innovative tools for home maintenance, saving you from the tedious and risky task of manually cleaning your gutters. This amazing attachment transforms your leaf blower into a powerful gutter cleaning machine, effortlessly removing leaves, debris, and clogs, ensuring optimal water flow and protecting your home from potential water damage. This video will show you everything you need to know about this incredible product, from its features and benefits to how to use it effectively. Number 5. Toro Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Toro Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit. It's designed for easy and efficient gutter cleaning, saving you time and effort. The flexible tubing ensures maximum maneuverability. It won't kink or block airflow, making cleaning a breeze. This kit is compatible with most leaf blower brands. The 3 universal connection collars make it easy to attach. With 4 extension tubes, you can extend your reach up to 11 feet. This allows you to clean even hard-to-reach gutters. The included shoulder strap reduces fatigue and boosts control. It frees your hands to adjust the speed and direction of the airflow. The connectable, wide-diameter tubes deliver powerful airflow to quickly remove leaves and debris. You'll get a superior clean every time. The gutter nozzle focuses and directs the air forward for precise cleaning. It ensures efficient removal of debris from your gutters. A ratchet strap securely attaches the connection collar to your leaf blower. This ensures a stable and reliable connection during use. Perfect for one-story homes, wooded areas, or any location with tricky gutter access. It makes gutter cleaning simple and efficient. What we like. It features a flexible tube that won't kink, giving you maximum maneuverability. Its 11-foot reach and shoulder strap reduce fatigue and boost control, freeing your hands. If you have a one-story home with tricky gutter access or a wooded lot, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Using this on Toro 60V blower and it works great. Takes some effort to thread the flexible sections on. Ratchet strap holds the tubes on the blower. The threaded tube sections are tight, no issues with air leakage or coming loose at highest air speed. The Toro Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit was exactly what I needed to get the leaves out of my gutters. I used the 4 extension pieces and the curved top piece. They went together rather easy. This gutter cleaning kit along with the blower unit works wonderful, had all my gutters cleaned 2 to 45 minutes max. Number 4. Stihl Gutter Cleaning Kit. This kit is designed for efficient gutter cleaning. It's a time saver and makes the job much easier. It delivers superior cleaning performance, removing leaves and debris effectively. You'll get a clean gutter every time. The kit is simple to attach and operate. It's designed for ease of use, even for first-time users. It's built to last with high-quality materials. You can count on it for years of reliable service. It seamlessly integrates with your existing Stihl equipment. This ensures optimal performance and efficiency. This kit helps prevent costly gutter damage. It's an investment in protecting your home. What we like. As an original equipment manufacturer, OEM, part, it ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance. Its robust construction promises lasting durability. If you own a Stihl leaf blower and value quality and a perfect fit, then this is the attachment for you. What people say. No more going up and down the ladder to clean the gutters. Works best with dry debris, but if you don't mind a little gutter juice splashing down on you, it will get the wet stuff out too. Excellent product. I did reinforce the first connection to my blower as it seemed to need it. Number 3. EGO Power Plus AGC 1000 Gutter Cleaning Kit. This innovative kit makes cleaning your gutters safer and easier than ever before. It's compatible with multiple EGO leaf blower models, saving you time and effort. Say goodbye to ladders and dangerous gutter cleaning. It extends your reach, allowing you to clean from the ground. The adjustable nozzle lets you precisely target debris, ensuring thorough cleaning. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. Connecting it to your EGO leaf blower is quick and simple thanks to the secure screw connection tubes. Get started in minutes. It seamlessly integrates with various EGO leaf blower models, providing versatility and convenience. Check compatibility with your model. At 8.3 feet long, it extends your reach significantly, eliminating the need for dangerous ladders. Clean your gutters safely and efficiently from the ground. What we like. This kit boasts an adjustable nozzle for precise cleaning and an 8.3 foot length for comfortable reach. Its seamless compatibility with various EGO leaf blowers makes it a convenient choice. If you are looking for a well-designed attachment that works perfectly with your EGO blower, this is the one for you. What people say. For keeping gutters clear of debris, this EGO blower attachment is a must. Sure, we all plan to keep our gutters clean, but digging out the ladders etc. is just such a hassle. If you have an EGO blower, this tool means you'll actually perform periodic clearings. Quick and easy, if a bit messy. I've had several brands of blowers with gutter tube kits over the years. The EGO is the most well-engineered I've come across, strong tubes with sections which screw together instead of just being press-fit. The end result is a reasonably lightweight, strong unit. End result, a set of gutters which is actually being well maintained. Lightweight but sturdy. A job that took hours and many trips up a stepladder was done in 15 minutes from the ground. A safe and easy tool to clean gutters with this 8-foot extension to the EGO leaf blower. Also quick to use. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Gutter Cleaning Attachment. This innovative attachment makes cleaning your gutters a breeze. It's designed to fit most blowers, giving you the reach you need from the ground. Say goodbye to ladders. With its extendable design, it lets you easily clear leaves and debris from your gutters while standing safely on the ground. It features a quick connect system for easy assembly and disassembly. The 4 tubes extend up to 12 feet, providing ample reach for most gutters. Its flexible tube allows for easy maneuvering around obstacles, ensuring thorough cleaning. You'll be able to reach even the most difficult areas. This tool is perfect for keeping your gutters clean and free of debris. No more dangerous climbs, clean your gutters from the safety of the ground. It's designed to fit most blowers, making it a versatile addition to your lawn care equipment. Remember, the blower and extension cord are sold separately. What we like. It offers a 12-foot reach thanks to its quick connect extension system, allowing you to clean gutters from the ground. Its flexible tube ensures maneuverability. If you are looking for a convenient and easy-to-use solution to clean your gutters from the ground, this is the best option for you. What people say. Even blows out the grit from the shingles. We were amazed. This is easy to assemble and store away when not in use. I was able to clean one-story gutters with wet leaves easily. Adapter only came off when I pulled it off accidentally. I just received the gutter attachment today, it easily attached to my blower. It worked like a dream. Did all my gutters prior to winter, blew out the leaves great, even has enough pressure to blow out some of the shingle gravel. Number 1. Vacmaster V2GK Gutter Kit. Tired of cleaning gutters by hand? This kit makes the job easier and faster. It's designed to work with most 2.5-inch Vacmaster vacuums. Say goodbye to clogged gutters. It easily clears leaves, twigs, and other debris. No more ladders or dangerous climbs. It's designed to fit most 2.5-inch Vacmaster vacuums. Check your vacuum specifications to ensure compatibility. The angled tip allows you to reach into gutters from below, making the job safer and more convenient. No more awkward reaching. This kit simplifies gutter maintenance. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your home. Order yours now and experience the ease of effortless gutter cleaning. Make gutter maintenance a breeze. What we like. Designed for easy clearing of debris, it features an angled tip for better reach and fits most 2.5-inch Vacmaster vacuums. If you own a Vacmaster vacuum and prefer a simple solution for gutter cleaning, this kit is your best bet. What people say. It worked perfectly and no running up and down a ladder. Sucked the leaves out with my shop vac. It didn't get clogged unless a branch got bridged across the opening. I used a rigid shop vac with 4 extensions, 2 provided plus 2 original with the shop vac. With all of that it still had great suction. This attachment worked great. It pulled the majority out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.